Hi everyone, can you solve this math problem? 9 power x over 81 is equal to 72. We have to find the value of x. We'll start the solution of this question. 9 power x over 81. 81 can be written as 9 square is equal to 72. Now, we know that a power m over a power n can be written as a power m minus n. So this left hand side will become 9 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 72. Now we will take logarithm on both sides of the equation. Log of 9 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to log of 72. We can write this as log of 9 power x minus 2 is equal to log of 72 can be written as 9 into 8. Now we will use two formula, one for the left side and one for the right side. So the power rule is log of m power n is equal to n times log of m. And for the right hand side, we have log of m cross n is equal to log of m plus log of n. So we will plug these two formulas on left hand side and right hand side respectively. So it will be x minus 2 log of 9 equals log of 9 plus log of 8. This term is multiplying with x minus 2. So we will divide this term on both sides of the equation. Log of 9 and log of 9. Log 9 cancel with log 9 and log 9 cancel with log 9. We get x minus 2 equals 1 plus log of 8 over log of 9. Now we will add 2 on both sides of the equation. We get x equals 2 plus 1 plus log of 8 over log of 9. So x will be equal to 2 plus 1, 3 plus log of 8 over log of 9. We can write this as 3 plus 8 can be written as 2 cube and 9 can be written as 3 square. So equation now becomes x equals 3 plus, applying the power rule of log, it will be 3 log of 2, 3 log of 2 over 2 log of 3. Now it will be x equals 3 plus 3 over 2 log of 2 over log of 3. Now we will use log formula, quotient formula for this term. It will be log of m over log of n equals log of m with the base n. So x will be equal to 3 plus 3 by 2 log of 2 with the base 3. This is the final value of x. But stop here. We will check this value of x whether it is correct or not. We will put this value back in our Given question, which is 9 power x over 81 equals 72. To verify whether it is correct or not, or after simplification we get this term 9 power x minus 2 equals 72. Now we'll put this value of x here, so it will be 9 power 3 plus 3 by 2 log of 2 in the base 3 minus 2 equals 72. It will be 9 equals 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 3 by 2 log of 2 with the base 3, 72. Here we will use formula a power m plus n is written as a power m times a power n. So it will be 9 power 1 times 9 or 3 by 2 log of 2 with the base 3 whole 72. 9 power 1 is 9, and this can be written as 3 square 3 by 2 log of 2 with the base 3, 72. 2 cancel with 2, we get 9, 3, and this 3 quotient can be written as 3 power log of 2 cube base 3 equals 72. Or it can be written as 9 into 3 power log of 2 cube is 8 with the base 3, 72. Now for this term we will use formula a power log of b with the base a is always equals to b. Here a is 3 and b is 8, so answer is b, which is 8. 9 into 8, 72. So 9 into 8 is 72 equals 72. It means left hand side equal right hand side, and our value of x equals 3 plus 3 by 2 log of 2 with the base 3 is the final answer, which is correct. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.